Let's start with a question. When you think about your life so far, what are the moments that instantly rise in your memory? Is it the day you graduated, the moment you heard good news you were waiting for, or maybe the time someone believed in you when no one else did? Now compare that with all the other ordinary days you have lived. Thousands of them. You may not even remember what you ate last week, but you will never forget the moment you got your first job offer. You will never forget the teacher who told you that you had more potential than you thought. You will never forget the day you held your newborn child for the very first time. The Heath brothers remind us in this book, life is not measured in years, but in moments. This book is not just about enjoying them. It is about learning how to design them. It is about understanding that experiences can be shaped, created, and engineered. That we don't need to wait for fate to give us special memories. We can build them. We can become architects of meaning. And if you stay with me till the end of this narration, you will walk away with the knowledge and power to design defining moments in your personal life, in your career, in your relationships, and in the lives of others. Part 1. Foundation Defining the Power of Moments. Chapter 1. Defining Moments. Here the Heath brothers introduce us to the idea that some moments stand taller than others. These are not just random accidents. They are structured. They carry the power to change the way we see ourselves and the way we see the world. Think about it like this. Imagine your life is a long string of pearls. Each pearl represents a day. Most of them are small, ordinary, similar in size. But every once in a while, there is a bigger pearl, one that shines brighter. That is a defining moment. Defining moments share 4 common elements: elevation, insight, pride, and connection. Whenever a memory burns itself into your mind, usually one or more of these elements is at play. The importance of this chapter is to wake us up, to show us that instead of letting life drift by, we can intentionally create more of these bigger pearls. We can create defining moments for ourselves and others. Chapter 2. Thinking in Moments. We are conditioned to think in terms of days, weeks, and schedules. What will I do tomorrow? What is due next week? What is the plan for the month? But the Heaths challenge us to think differently. They ask us to think in moments. For example, when a company is welcoming a new employee, instead of focusing only on the paperwork and formalities, they should ask, what will be the moment that this person remembers from their first day? Will it be a boring desk and a stack of HR forms? Or could it be a warm welcome, a personal note from the manager, or a team celebration that makes them feel truly valued from day one? The importance of this chapter is learning to zoom in, to identify key touchpoints and make them memorable. In life and in leadership, if you can identify the moments that matter and make them powerful, everything changes. Part 2. Elevation Creating Peaks. Chapter 3. Elevation. Elevation is about lifting experiences above the everyday. Our daily lives are filled with routines. Commute, work, dinner, sleep, repeat. Elevation moments are the ones that break this cycle. Think of a graduation ceremony. Think of a wedding. Think of a family vacation. These are not just ordinary days. They are structured to be special. They involve novelty, surprise, and intensity. The Heath brothers remind us that elevation moments often contain sensory richness, music, visuals, rituals, celebrations. These amplify memory. For example, Disneyland is not just an amusement park. It is engineered elevation. Everything from the music to the design is built to make you feel wonder. The importance here is realizing that we can do the same in smaller ways. A family dinner turned into a surprise celebration. A teacher making the first day of class feel magical. A leader turning a meeting into a breakthrough moment for the team. Elevation is about breaking away from the script and giving people an emotional high point. Chapter 4. Build Peaks. Life is full of milestones, but most of them pass quietly. We wait for the big ones like weddings or graduations. But the Heaths challenge us to create more peaks by building milestones into everyday life. Think of a student struggling through a year. Instead of waiting only for the final exam to celebrate, what if teachers created milestones for every improvement, every challenge overcome, every project completed? Suddenly the student has multiple opportunities to feel proud, not just one. In business, companies can do the same. Instead of waiting for annual awards, they can create milestones for small wins, project completions, and team efforts. The importance of this chapter is simple but life-changing. You don't need to wait for life to hand you milestones. You can multiply them. The more peaks you create, the richer the memory bank of your life becomes. Chapter 5. Break the Script. Surprise is a secret ingredient of memory. We remember what breaks the pattern. If your daily commute is always the same, you forget it. But if something unusual happens, you remember it. This is why great customer experiences rely on breaking the script. Think of a hotel that offers free popsicles delivered poolside whenever you want. That is unexpected. That breaks the script. It turns an ordinary hotel stay into a memory you will tell friends about. The importance of this chapter is that breaking the script is within our control. As parents, partners, leaders, or friends, we can break scripts to show care. A handwritten note in a lunchbox, an unexpected act of kindness, a boss who walks in and cancels the meeting only to take the team out for lunch. These become stories people never forget. Part 3. Insight Learning That Changes You. Chapter 6. Insight. Moments of insight are the ones that rewire how we see the world. They don't come from someone lecturing us. They come when reality hits us directly and changes our perspective. Imagine a smoker who has ignored advice for years. Then one day he sees his child coughing because of secondhand smoke. That moment of truth can rewire him more than 1,000 lectures ever could. The Heath brothers explain that leaders, teachers, and parents can design situations where people discover insights themselves. By stretching, by challenging, by confronting reality. The importance of this chapter is understanding that discovery beats instruction. Chapter 7. Trip over the truth. Sometimes the most powerful lessons come when we trip over an undeniable truth. Imagine a manager who wants employees to understand the importance of customer service. Instead of giving a speech, he brings in real customer complaints and reads them aloud. The team trips over the truth. They feel the pain of the customer directly. The importance here is that truths that are experienced, not told, become unforgettable. Chapter 8. Stretch for insight. Growth requires struggle. If you are handed the answer, you don't value it. But when you fight for it, when you push through difficulty, the insight stays. Teachers know this. Instead of solving a math problem for the student, they let them wrestle with it. The struggle itself makes the learning stick. In life, stretching for insight might mean stepping into uncomfortable situations, asking hard questions, or putting yourself in challenging environments. The importance of this chapter is that insights require us to lean into discomfort. Part 4. Pride, Recognition, and Identity. Chapter 9. Pride. Pride moments tell us that we are capable, that we matter, that we are seen. Without recognition, people shrink. With it, they flourish. Think of a child who works hard all year and is never praised. Their self-belief fades. But another child who is recognized even for effort builds pride and courage. The importance of this chapter is identity. Pride moments whisper to us, "You are strong, you are worthy, you can do this." They shape who we believe we are. Chapter 10. Recognize others. Creating pride is not just for ourselves. It is about recognizing others. Many leaders underestimate this. Recognition is free, yet it is one of the most powerful motivators. Catch people doing good. Celebrate small wins. Offer genuine appreciation. These become moments that stick in the memory of the people you lead, the people you love, the people you live with. The importance here is realizing that recognition builds not only pride, but loyalty, trust, and love. Part 5. Connection, the bonds that last. Chapter 11. Multiply milestones. Milestones are natural points of pride and celebration. But most people only celebrate the biggest ones. The Heaths encourage us to multiply them. Instead of one big graduation, celebrate smaller completions, achievements, and progress. The importance is that by multiplying milestones, you multiply meaning. Chapter 12. Practice courage. Courage is often remembered as a defining moment. Speaking up when it is risky, standing by your values, taking a leap of faith. The Heath brothers remind us that courage does not appear randomly. It can be practiced. It can be supported. When leaders create safe environments, when friends stand beside you, when families believe in you, courage rises. The importance of this chapter is that we can design environments where courage becomes easier. Chapter 13. Connection. The most powerful moments in life are rarely solo. They are shared. A wedding, a victory, a midnight conversation, a shared struggle. Humans are wired for connection. Without it, moments lose half their power. The importance here is that connection multiplies meaning. Chapter 14. Create shared meaning. Shared meaning comes from rituals, traditions, and symbols. Families create it through holiday traditions. Teams create it through inside jokes, shared struggles, or repeated practices. Organizations create it through ceremonies. The importance of this chapter is that shared meaning binds people together. It tells them, you belong. Chapter 15. Deepen ties. Trust grows when walls come down. Vulnerability is the fastest way to deepen ties. When leaders admit their mistakes, when friends share their fears, when partners speak honestly about pain, ties deepen. The importance of this chapter is authenticity. Surface level connection is weak. Real connection comes through vulnerability. Chapter 16, Making Moments Matter. This chapter brings all four elements together: elevation, insight, pride, and connection. Any one of them can create a defining moment. But when they combine, the effect is transformative. The importance here is that we don't need to wait for life. We can design experiences that elevate, that teach, that honor, that connect. We can make moments matter. Chapter 17, Want More. The final chapter is a challenge. It asks, do you want to live a life of routines or a life of moments? Most people drift, letting years pass. But the ones who design moments build a legacy of meaning. The importance here is to make a choice. To seek more, to create more, to design more. 5 positive transformations, if applied. 1. You will create more joy in everyday life. 2. You will deepen relationships with family, friends, and colleagues. 3. You will grow stronger in identity and confidence. 4. You will unlock insights that change your direction. 5. You will live with fewer regrets and more meaning. 5 negative outcomes, if ignored. 1. Life will blur into sameness, days forgotten without meaning. 2. Relationships may weaken because connection moments were missed. 3. You may never celebrate achievements and feel unseen. 4. Opportunities for insight and courage may slip away forever. 5. In old age you may realize you lived years, but not memories. 5 practical actions this week. 1. Plan one surprise to break someone's daily script. 2. Recognize and praise someone for effort, not just results. 3. Start one family or team ritual that can be repeated. 4. Take one small courageous step you have been avoiding. 5. Find a small milestone in your life and celebrate it intentionally. Conclusion. Moments define us. Ordinary days fade, but powerful moments last forever. And the greatest truth of all is this: you don't have to wait for them, you can create them. For yourself, for the people you love, for the teams you lead, and for the world you touch. If this inspired you, subscribe now, because the next defining moment of your life might just begin with the next idea you hear.